Today we're showing you how to make a revitalizing face serum for oily skin. To make our face serum, we will be using 1 teaspoon of rosewater, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 5 drops of tea tree oil, and 5 drops of sage oil. You'll begin by adding your 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into your bowl, and we chose aloe vera because it will soothe and hydrate your skin without being too oily, like more heavy serums. So you want to avoid oil-based serums for oily skin. Next, you're adding your 1 teaspoon of rosewater, and rosewater acts as an astringent without over drying your skin, so it's great for keeping oil under control. Finally, we're adding our tea tree and sage essential oils, 5 drops each, and both are great for breakouts, and they're both antifungal and help to bring down inflammation. So if you are prone to breakouts, these are really great oils for helping to clear up your skin. Once everything's added, you can just whisk it together until it's all evenly mixed. Whisk until you have this even consistency. Now you can add your mixture to a 2-ounce dropper bottle, or you can also use a jar if you prefer. It's a little easier. And because this is so thick, it will take a little bit of work to get it into the dropper bottle, but just keep pushing down and it will fall through the funnel. So this is great to use as a daily serum under your moisturizer or even on its own. And now you have your revitalizing serum for oily skin.